What's up, guys? Today's video is gonna be called "How to Make." Look, y'all done dropped on me. Oh, I'm having technical difficulties. Is how to make a Wendy's Frosty.
Yum. There you got that yum, 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 yum.
Can't wait.
My fault. Oh, I thought you paused it.
No. You see what I gotta deal with, y'all? So I'm not. The recipe didn't say use a blender, and also the recipe said to use a can of sweetened condensed milk, but I think that's gonna be a little too much. So I'm just gonna this is trial and error. I'm gonna make a big hole in the middle here, and then we're just gonna pour. This is 1% chocolate milk, and this is light whipped topping, so we're saving some calories here.
Oh, I see how it works.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, making a mess. Okay, yeah.
Look good.
Right? So like I said, this is trial and error, y'all. And then you could just leave it in a container and then just dip your Frosty. They had a big container of whipped cream. And I said, man, I should have got that big container. And you just throw it back up in the freezer. And, you know, get it when you want it. Get it when you want it. Get it when you want it. A little bit more. So this would be the low-fat version, y'all. You want some now, Biggie?
Piper dessert.
Okay. So then you know you can just scoop this into your cup, and then you have your spoon and your your Frosty. And the chocolate milk was about $1 something, and this container of whipped topping was 92 cents. So you can get a couple of servings. For a real good deal.
I put snacks you put in the freezer.
Yeah. Put it in the freezer. That's where you would have to keep it. And then, you know, it'll harden up some. That should be good. I say that was probably a half cup of milk, half cup of chocolate milk there. So, you know, you guys just do it how you want to do it, you know. And I think adding that whole can of sweetened condensed milk would have been way too much. Too much sugar, too much calories, you know. And then when we put it in the freezer, and then when they're ready to eat it, you know, we can just take it and stir it again. But I just want to see, get an idea. So y'all see what, I mean, it's still light in color, but the Frosties are kind of dark. But you know, you get the gist of it. You do it how you want to do it. That's it. You want to try it?
Sure.
That's it. And a spoon. You can't use no fork, Angel.
Okay.
Well, get in the camera. You look all cute.
Plus, my hair looking right.
Angel, please.
You know what? Since I'm waiting, I might as well try it.
That tastes it.
Thank you.
That's good.
Oh well.
When you frost it up. Okay.
Great. Put it back in the freezer.
Not bad.
Like I said, this is the low-cal version. You do it how you want to do it. I'm probably going to put a little bit more chocolate milk in there. So let me know if you guys ever tried to make your own Wendy's Frosty. And put down in the comments and let me know if you haven't. Will you try it? And when you try it, what will you do to it? Alrighty, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time.